In order to change the smoke detector battery, you will not need any tools unless you desire a flathead screwdriver to easily remove the batteries from the device. Place your hand on top of the smoke detector casing and twist the cover counterclockwise. Listen for the click and pull the cover towards you. Holding the larger side of the device, remove the old batteries. Wait a few seconds and replace the batteries with new ones. Place the sensor back on the wall mount and turn it clockwise until you hear it click. Once the cover is on tight, press the test button displayed on the smoke detector until you hear it beep. This will tell you that the batteries are working properly.